Viber hidden tricks you should try. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, want to get more out of Viber than just texting? Then today I'll show you how to do some hidden tricks on Viber. So let's dive right in. First things first, open up your Viber app. Now you can keep your most important chats or messages at the top. So what you can do is just swipe the conversation that you want at the top to the left, and then you can see the pin option, tap on it, and there you go. You can see that the chat has been pinned at the top. So now you don't have to scroll through chats to find your favorite chat. And the second one is you can send messages that delete themselves after a timer. Perfect for one-time information. For that, you can open up the conversation, go to the name at the top right, and then go to chat and info settings and tap on disappearing messages, and then just put the time of your choice and then turn on the disappearing messages. So now once you've done that, come back, and then you can even create your own stickers. So go to the smiley icon and then tapping on the plus icon on the right hand side and tap on create sticker, and then you can just tap on the plus icon and you can put in the sticker from your gallery, camera, or just doodle. So I'll use just doodle. I'll make a heart shape and then save sticker. So this is what the sticker looks like, and I can send it to my friends. And finally, another thing that you can do is you can close this, go to settings, and then go to privacy, and then you can turn off the send scene status. Now, even if you view other people's messages, they won't be able to see it. So, these are some of the very handy features that you must know in Viber. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.